welcome to the Trying Something New RV. Today's video is going to be all about a day in the life in an RV park in the Florida Keys. What do you say, Rye?
Hit the road, Jack.
We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
Try something new every day. 6 years ago, we got rid of all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
So hit that subscribe button and come along on the adventure with us. We only get one life to live, so let's live it up. Hey,
come here
Jimmy.
for a minute. All right, so if this is your first time to a channel, or if you don't know about our channel, we live in an RV full-time. And right now we're in the Florida Keys, like Sandy said earlier, and this is our RV. Now, this is my workstation right here. I'm a professional editor, and I used to have this big bay suite set up in the house. Once we moved into the RV, I thought there was no way that I can edit on this because it's too small. But, you know, once you get used to it, this is all you really need. So I just got back from the Bahamas. I spent 9 days in the Bahamas, and right now we're going through some of that footage right now. So let's cut to a little montage of what I've been up to for 9 days and why we missed last week's video.
All right, so like Jimmy said, we do live in an RV full time, and it is a completely remodeled RV. So while it's clean, we just cleaned it this morning, to do a few TikToks, we'll give you a little tour. So if you haven't seen our RV before, we completely remodeled it, reupholstered all of the furniture, the flooring, painted all the cabinets, had all of the countertops covered with custom corian. We did a cool design on this, and chalkboard paint on the fridge with like chalkboard markers and stuff like that. So if you don't know, we recently started doing TikTok and have kind of gone viral. Yes, Trying Something New is going viral on TikTok. And seriously, we've gotten, I think, 25 million views in the past month and a half and just broke 100,000 followers. So check us out on TikTok. But besides that, last night was super fun. There was a couple of other families that came over that are on TikTok and have pretty big channels. Family Nomads, Wandering Routes, and Wild Thornbellies all were here, and we made a ton of TikToks. We had a blast doing it.
What about Walkabout RV?
And Walkabout RV Adventures. Sorry, Greg. We all did these like fun TikToks, had 30 of us pile out of Family Nomads rig, did a whole bunch of cool stuff, had all the kids playing, did the Harlem Shake, all that kind of stuff. So check out a couple of those videos. That's one thing that we absolutely love about RV life, and is such a misconception with people that don't know anything about RV life, is that we have no friends, we don't socialize, and it is so false, so opposite to that people don't even get. So we made a bunch of fun TikToks showing people that we do really have a good time. There's a ton of people here, and actually what's really awesome is they're all like-minded people. They all like this kind of lifestyle. They like being on the move. They like being free from like the house and the utilities and all that kind of stuff and the neighborhood, and just want to be out there and be like nomads. So that was really fun. And we love, love, love. Our favorite thing ever is to just add lots of color and personality. And these are memories from all the places, well, from a lot of the places that we've been. And so we always get a sticker or a little surfboard or something. The kids love picking something out when we travel. So, and here, this is probably my most favorite picture ever of the kids. We were in the Philippines. There was just a huge rainstorm, and they climbed up into this tree that had Christmas lights, and it looks like it's from Peter Pan or something. It is gorgeous.
What about the swag? Show them some swag.
Oh, so if anybody wants some of this Trying Something New logo on you, we got a pillow, we have shirts.
Let's see the cups.
This cool cup right here. And if you know my mohawk's in the logo somewhere, I'm not going to show you. You got to find it. So, yeah, that artist was absolutely awesome. And back here, it's a little messy back there because we took everything from up here and threw it back there. And so there's not much space in here.
Jump, who cares?
There's not much space in here.
Who cares?
This is kind of what it looks like right now.
Just a bunch of junk back here.
All right, and then this wall right here is our family wall, because if anybody does live in an RV, you can tell, you know, it's kind of generic. There's not much wall space to really customize it and make it feel homey and personal, but we used all the space we can for family photos. This is when the kids were, Ryder was just 10 days old right here. So yeah, we really love personalizing our RV, making it super cute, comfy. When people walk in, their first reaction is, wow, it's so colorful and so bright. And that was exactly our goal.
All right, now that we just wrapped up the inside, we're gonna head outside and show you all the amenities that we get to live with, living in an RV full time. And if you guys haven't seen our RV from afar yet or up close, we've rewrapped the whole entire RV. We did it about 6 years ago, and this thing is still in pristine condition.
Oh, it's amazing.
So if you have an old, funky, nasty RV or a new one, throw a wrap on it and it will definitely last.
I think it's jammed. It's really fun, actually. We love new friends!
All right, boys will be boys. You know, a lot of people ask us in this lifestyle, how do your kids make friends and keep friends and connect with friends? They use, man, it's so windy out here. Hope it sounds good. They use Facebook Messenger, and they stay connected all around, and there's always an influx of friends coming and going, and we're coming and going, and we always meet up and they reconnect and pick up right where they left off. So there's always lots of kids around for the kids to have fun with.
All right, so something that we always do multiple times a day is ride our bikes around. We call it our sanity rides. So if you are in an RV park with us, you're gonna see us riding around probably 20 times a day.
Hey, boy, you're out.
All right, so I snuck away from Sandy for a sec because I want to do something, a little confessional here. So a confessional from a professional. I have something called analysis paralysis. And what that means is I come from a super professional background on making videos. And so if everything's not perfect, then it's really hard for me to move forward. And I get paralyzed by trying to make everything perfect. So I'm really gonna push myself to not be so perfect. And right now we're shooting on the GoPro Hero 10, and we shot some stuff in the RV with the iPhone 13 Pro, which makes it so much funner and easier and faster, and it allows me to get out more content than pulling out a big old DSLR and a lens and laving us up, and which takes forever and it ruins the creativity for me. So I really want to work on this and become better at just trusting my gear and knowing that YouTube, it doesn't need to be so professional. You guys just want to see more content. So that's my pledge to you, to get out more content and stop worrying about being so dang professional. So I got to go find Sandy. But I had another idea too. Drop a comment down below if you want it super professional or you just want to see more stuff. I think I already know what the answer is, but drop a comment. All right, so I'm totally gonna catch this guy off guard right here. This is a friend of ours, Craig, with Walkabout RV. He has no idea I'm coming up right now.
How you doing?
All right, so Craig, I was gonna ask you something, I just forgot. What do you think about RV life?
RV life is the only life in my eyes. I love doing this.
What do you love about it?
The adventure, the experience, my kids are loving it, everything about it. Like, I don't have to be confined in a house. I can get on the road. I can go anywhere I want. I don't like where I am. I pack up, I move on. My kids experience a different location every single time.
All right, man. I gotta finish making this YouTube video.
Have fun.
Later, brother.
Take care.
That's what we love, is friends like this. We've been traveling with these guys for about 4 months. Our daughters are best friends. They got a little boy Ryder's age. They're best friends. And we're gonna continue the journey all along the way. Keith is another amazing family that we met down here in the Florida Keys. This guy's got a dope ass speedboat that he takes the kids out on all the time and just has a great time. What's your philosophy on life, man?
Oh man, life is short but sweet for certain. It's an old Dave Matthews lyrics, and I've been living that since 1997. Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
Right, man. Yeah, man.
See you on the boat. All right, I got another buddy over here, Alex, that we met RVing, has become a very close friend. Let's go over here and surprise Alex. He has no idea I'm coming right now.
Highly recommend you guys.
We got our stuff all over this RV park. So, Alex, what is one thing that you like about RV life? What do you come down here for?
Number one, meeting people like you.
All right.
Meeting people like you and your family. You guys keep us motivated. You guys, we learn a lot from people like you, from people from all over different states. Fantastic. What can I tell you?
Yeah.
It's the best life.
Every time Alex comes into town, he brings a box of donuts and the kids love it. So, thank you, brother.
You got it, my friend. It's nice meeting you guys.
All right, on to the next.
You got it.
See ya.
Take care, guys.
So a lot of people wonder, how do the kids make friends when you're traveling full time in this RV life? And I think the kids have made some pretty good friends here. What do you guys think? Where'd all the friends go? Oh, here they are.
We're not friends, we're best friends. So people think we don't have friends. We have so many friends, and we meet a bunch along the way, and these are our best friends.
All right, as you can see behind us, there's a beautiful beach. This is where we come hang out all the time, watch the sunrise, watch the sunset. And there's a cool little beach bar over there where they have live music on the weekends, great food.
So windy out, it sounds like the Wizard of Oz. Like, woo, woo, woo.
All right, so Sky's been practicing for about 4 months and she got really, really good at what, Skylar?
Not 4 months, a year.
A year, what'd you get good at?
Unicycle.
Unicycle, let's see if you can do it, okay? We're gonna try to do a trick shot too. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, Skylar, go! She's gonna grab the camera for me and hold it out straight in front of you. Go, hold it out straight, straight arm, straight arm.
He acts like I'm a newbie, which I'm not. It's pretty hard, but I like all the attention everyone gives to me. Oh my God! A bird literally just went right over my head.
There you go, Sky, go! Oh, all right, give me a high five, Sky, you did it. All right.
Peace out, homie.
All right, so these guys have a slushy machine on the side of their RV. We're gonna go check it out right now.
I did a TikTok of it the other day because I was absolutely impressed.
And we just traded them a sticker for a slushie. I thought any dad getting on the rib stick would definitely break their ankles, but I guess I'm the only dad that would break my ankles on a rib stick. Because this dad's killing it.
Unicycle is.
All right, so the best part of RV life is the people that you meet along the way. And here we have family and nomads. We met through social media, and we just happened to be at the same RV park at the same time, and we were like, oh my God, we gotta do this.
Yes.
So last night was a lot of TikTok fun. We made a whole bunch of fun TikToks, cool ideas, and just collaborating and having dinner, and the kids are just getting along
so
great.
fun.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
So now, the best part of RV life, another best part is
This guy has slushies in his
guys-
RV.
I did.
That's raspberry, that is strawberry, and that's pina colada.
What's your name, Dad?
Paige.
Oh, our friend's name is Paige. I got all of them. I got a graveyard.
What were you guys saying?
Yeah. We're gonna take out the fuel pumps for our toy hauler, and
You just turn into a slushie machine.
Yeah,
Pull
actually-
nozzles out and
Cotton candy, slushy.
so like the slushies can come through the like gas pump.
yeah.
All right, guys, well, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. We got some slushies from an RV. That is a first out here in the Florida Keys. So
Amazing.
every night we try to run out here at Sunset Point. Sandy's coming right now. Everybody gathers at Sunset Point and just watches the sunset. We'll wait for Sandy to catch up here. Hopefully the wind is not too bad, and we can get a beautiful sunset here, babe. Where are we going right now?
All right, Sunset Point.
All right. What a wonderful day of meeting new friends and reconnecting with old friends and just having a great time in this RV lifestyle. So whatever you do, guys, get out there and
Try something new. Woo!